Hello, students. We have started a new chapter that is metals and non-metals. In the previous two sessions, we have studied the physical properties of metals. I have told you about the physical properties of metals, that which property they show. Now, in this session, we will study about the physical properties of non-metals. As you know that the materials which do not show the properties of metal are known as non-metals, like carbon and oxygen. These are some example of non-metals. Now, in this session, we will discuss about the physical properties of non-metals. So here are some physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas. As you know that solid, liquid and gas, these are the three states of matter. So a non-metal can be present in solid state or liquid state or gas state. That means non-metals are present in all state of matters. If we are talking about the solid non-metals, then carbon and sulfur, phosphorus, these are the examples of solid nonmetals. These are the nonmetals which are in the solid state. Now, if we talk about the liquid nonmetal, then bromine is a liquid nonmetal. Some nonmetals are found in the gaseous state also. Those are oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. You are knowing that oxygen, it is very essential for the existence of life on the earth. So oxygen is a non-metal which is very essential for the living being. Nitrogen, it is another non-metal which is present in the gaseous state and it is necessary for the growth of plants. Non-metals are soft. As we know that the metals are hard in the structure, but the non-metals are soft. They are soft in the in their texture. They are not hard like the metals. But exception is also there. That is diamond, which is made up of carbon non-metal. It is the hardest natural substance. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. So you can say that diamond is a non-metal which is hardest natural substance and which non it is the example of the non-metal which is hard, not so soft. Next property is non-metals do not have luster. They doesn't have shiny surface. Basically all the non-metals are not having lustrous surface, but again exception is there, that is iodine. Iodine crystals are lustrous. So iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous, which show the shine. It is having a shiny surface, but basically all the non-metals, they do not have luster. The non-metals are not malleable. That means you can't beat them into sheets. They are not malleable. Non-metals are not ductile. They can't be drawn into wires. If we want to draw the wires from the non-metals, we can't do that. So non-metals are not malleable. They are brittle. That means when we hit them, unlike the metals, they cracked. They are brittle in the nature. They are not malleable. They can't be beaten into thin sheets because of this nature. So today we have seen five main properties of non-metals. That is, non-metals may be solid, liquid or gas. Non-metals are soft except diamond. Non-metals do not have luster but again except iodine. Non-metals are not malleable and non-metals are not ductile. So in general you can say that basically non-metals are having physical properties just opposite of the metals. In next session we will study more about the physical properties of non-metals.